Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are excited to bring you cool drones you can buy on Amazon. We cover topics about Amazon products and gadgets on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Holystone HS720E. Take your aerial photography and videography to new heights with the Holystone HS720E 4K EIS drone. Designed for adults and beginners alike, this GPS quadcopter is packed with advanced features. Capture stunning ultra-high-definition footage with the UHD camera and enjoy the stability of the 4K EIS, electronic image stabilization, technology, ensuring smooth and shake-free recordings. With an impressive 46-minute flight time, you'll have ample time to explore and capture breathtaking aerial views. The brushless motor delivers powerful performance and precise control. The 5 GHz transmission provides a reliable and interference-free connection, while the auto-return home and follow-me modes enhance safety and convenience. Experience the thrill of drone flying with the Holystone HS720E 4K EIS drone and unleash your creativity in the skies. RC Drone for Kids Gift. Ignite the imagination and excitement of young pilots with the Holystone HS110G Mini Nano RC Drone. This portable pocket quadcopter is the perfect gift for kids. With its easy-to-fly design and features like altitude hold, 3D flips, and headless mode, children can experience the thrill of flying with confidence. The compact size allows for indoor and outdoor use, and the built-in LED lights add a cool racing car aesthetic. The drone's stability and responsiveness make it ideal for beginners, while still providing an exciting flying experience. Let your child's creativity soar with the Holystone HS110G Mini Nano RC Drone and watch as they become a skilled pilot in no time. Gimbal GPS Drone. Unleash your aerial photography skills with the Holystone 2-axis Gimbal GPS Drone. Designed for both adults and beginners, this drone is equipped with a 4K EIS camera that captures stunningly detailed footage. The 2-axis gimbal stabilization ensures smooth and steady shots, while the 5G Wi-Fi transmission provides real-time FPV, first-person view, experience. The foldable design makes it easy to transport and store, while the brushless motor delivers powerful performance and enhanced stability. With features like optical flow and follow-me mode, you can capture dynamic shots with ease. The smart return home function ensures a safe landing, while the GPS and altitude hold features provide precise positioning. Take your drone flying to new heights with the Holystone 2-axis Gimbal GPS Drone and capture breathtaking moments from above. Potensic Atom SE Combo GPS Drone. Embark on an epic aerial adventure with the Potensic Atom SE Combo GPS Drone. This feature-packed drone is perfect for adults seeking an immersive flying experience. Equipped with a 4K camera, it captures stunning aerial footage with clarity and detail. With an impressive 62 minutes of flight time, you'll have plenty of time to explore and capture breathtaking shots. The drone's lightweight design, weighing under 249 g, ensures compliance with regulations without compromising performance. Experience seamless FPV transmission up to 4 kilometers, allowing you to see the world from a bird's eye view. With a maximum speed of 16 meters per second and advanced features like auto return and shake vanish technology, you can navigate with confidence. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a beginner, the Potensic Atom SE Combo GPS Drone will elevate your flying skills and capture unforgettable moments from above. HS110G GPS FPV Drone. Experience the thrill of aerial exploration with the Holystone HS110G GPS FPV Drone. This drone is perfect for both adults and kids who want to capture stunning aerial footage. The 1080p HD live video camera allows you to view the world from a bird's-eye perspective, in real time. With GPS-assisted flight, the drone features auto-return home and altitude hold functions, ensuring stable and safe flights. The follow-me mode allows the drone to track and capture your every move, giving you the ultimate hands-free flying experience. With 2 batteries included, you can enjoy extended flight time and uninterrupted fun. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, The Holy Stone HS110G GPS FPV drone is designed to be user-friendly and easy to operate. Unleash your creativity and take your aerial photography to new heights with this exceptional drone. DJI Mini 2 SE. Elevate your photography and unleash your creativity with the DJI Mini 2 SE. This lightweight and foldable mini camera drone is perfect for capturing breathtaking aerial shots. With its 2.7K video capability, you can record stunning footage with crisp details and vibrant colors. The intelligent modes make it easy to capture professional quality shots, while the 10 km video transmission allows you to explore new horizons. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 31 minutes, giving you ample time to capture the perfect shot. Weighing under 249 g, the DJI Mini 2 SE is compact and easy to carry, making it perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. Whether you're on a photo shooting tour or capturing street snaps, this drone is designed to be easy to use, allowing you to focus on your creativity. Experience the world from a new perspective with the DJI Mini 2 SE and take your photography to new heights. DJI Avata Pro. Immerse yourself in the world of aerial photography with the DJI Avata Pro View Combo. This first-person view drone takes your flying experience to new heights. Capture stunning 4K stabilized video with a super-wide 155 degrees field of view, allowing you to capture more of the scene in every shot. With the emergency brake and hover feature, you can fly with confidence, knowing that your drone will respond quickly to your commands. The combo includes the new DJI RC Motion 2 controller and goggles too, enhancing your control and viewing experience. Whether you're a professional photographer or a drone enthusiast, the DJI Avata Pro View Combo offers an unparalleled flying experience. Soar through the skies, capture breathtaking footage, and unleash your creativity with this exceptional drone combo. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you found the products showcased in this video helpful and interesting. All product purchase links in the description and comment box. Which countries and cities are you watching from? Write down in the comment below.